what we're gonna do, we're just gonna make this for Halloween because that is one of my favorite holidays. I'm gonna go through it like I usually do to see which pages I want to keep. This is like a little monster. He used watercolor brushes to give it texture, and then he put like a watercolor texture on top of it. And then same thing, this is printed on like parchment paper. This is another monster that he drew. And then this is like a dryad. I'm gonna show you some more fun stuff. So I found out, believe it or not, that they make look how that came out first, but they make brown sticker paper. So this is sticker paper, but it's brown, so you can actually use it for like things that you don't. At first I tried to print them with like a band of color around that would fit the paper, but it still looked kind of shoddy and I couldn't get the color right, and he's colorblind. So I just found some cheap, it's not, I think it was like 12 bucks. It was crazy. So I can cut these out. This is another nature spirit. Then we got the same little flower guy printed on kind of this. I got two kinds of paper. Let's see, and they look different depending on which one. So this one's like more of a reddish brown, sorry, yellowish red brown. And so yeah, my printer ink, I had to change it. And this is more like a reddish brown. These are little mandrakes that he drew. And he did post most of these on his channel, and I have to link his channel. But this is his mandrakes. And this is his mandrakes on like a, more like a tan brown paper. I think this is supposed to be for wedding paper. Oops. Same kind of monster, but on the different color. I did this because I don't know where I'm gonna put them, so I have no idea. So I just wanted to show you my husband's sort of, I guess it is an art collection. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting some of these out and show you how cool it is. Now I need to get my creepy paper. This is something we made, and this stuff we found. So I also think I have too much paper in here, so I think honestly I probably should take some of this stuff out. And I also have many refills, so it won't catch me off guard today. There we go. I ran out of space, so I did not record part of it. Oops. Let's go back to where we left off, which was somewhere. Oh, I love it. It was somewhere here. There we go. But I wanted to show you what we did so far. So I put another little piece of paper that's the same color to try to make it look layered, and also like make it look like it's in a swamp. And the water is green. I changed out the blue water for green. And there's a little shack, but it says, I got this from Joann's, I think. Really a word kind of person that puts like words in journals, but I like the idea of a creepy one. Now I stand where darkness falls deep into the dark swamp, a grinning skull, something dreadfully wicked, watching and waiting. So there's a little poem about the little fella, so it's pretty cool, huh? I like it. I want to do these like everywhere, but let's just take a look what we have. So we got this thing. I think I had something for it. Like this page, I remembered it. I'm doing what I usually do, which is like I find like empty spaces and I start filling them up with the biggest ones I have, and then after I use the big ones, I start filling those up with little ones, because you know you can't really go back and do a background. It's hard.
It would be in a Valentine's Day kind of book. It's
There we go.
sticky.
Yep, sticky situation. I'm in. Oh boy. I love it. I love it now. Now it's my favorite part of the book.